Welcome to JH. The NovaMane Hair Regrowth Micro-Infusion System for men has been making quite a bit of noise lately. It's a DIY home treatment using a stamping device with tiny gold needles to push ingredients directly into your scalp. Sounds fancy, right? Because nothing says luxury like tenderizing your own head with 24-karat spikes. They claim it can stop shedding, wake up dormant follicles, and thicken your hair in just a few weeks, all while being drug-free. But is it a miracle cure or just expensive acupuncture for your bald spot? Let's break it down together. On the bright side, NovaMane is actually transparent about what's inside, which is refreshing since most hair products guard their proprietary blends, like nuclear launch codes. The ingredient list is actually solid, featuring biotinol tripeptide, 1-niacinamide, caffeine, and copper peptides. These are well-known heavy hitters in the hair world, and seeing them listed clearly makes the product feel a bit more trustworthy. They also provide clear, step-by-step instructions. It's a low bar, but you'd be surprised how many companies expect you to just guess how to stab yourself correctly. Now, let's talk about where things get a bit sketchy. The marketing is basically a digital used car lot, filled with only 5 left and buy 1 get 2 free banners. It's hard to build long-term trust when a brand screams at you like a late-night infomercial. Then there's the customer support, or lack thereof. Your only lifeline is an email address. No phone, no live chat, just the silent void of your outbox. If you have an issue, I hope you enjoy waiting days for a reply while your hair continues its slow retreat from your forehead. Let's dig into the reviews, where the truth usually hides. Their website boasts a 4.4-star rating from over 400 people, but these testimonials feel a little too polished, almost like they were written by a very enthusiastic AI. Over on Trustpilot, it's a much humbler 3.7 rating with only 2 reviews. Reddit is the usual mixed bag. Some users saw minor improvements when combining it with other treatments, while many others remain skeptical. Real-world feedback is basically a coin toss at this point, with many questioning if it delivers any long-term results. So what's the bottom line? NovaMane has a promising formula and clear instructions, but the aggressive sales tactics and suspiciously polished reviews make it hard to fully trust. Some users do see small improvements, but there's no strong evidence yet of a total mane transformation. If you're thinking about trying it, just keep your expectations realistic. Miracles usually don't come in a stamp. That's my take on NovaMane. Would you give it a shot, or is it just another overhyped gimmick? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.